Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you through the settings. We used the setting wizard last time, which was a little bit brief, but today I want to show you how you can get rid of these advices so that your store is properly optimized and responsive and pleasing, and even has good experience to your customers. So the first one is asking us to add a banner. So to add a banner, you go here. Actually, you need to check the recommended banner size is 625 by 300, but that is for the cropping purposes. So if in case you are going to choose a different dimension, you'll need to crop it. So let me do that so that we can see. If I go to my desktop, I really don't know if I'm going to get a good image. Let me choose that one. So this is our image that we have just uploaded. Then we can crop the image. We can crop the image. You can see that it is not cropping nicely because it is too small, and the recommended size is 625 by 300. Remember that. So that this is how the image is going to display. But if you put it to 600 by 300, then you will get the correct dimension. I think let me do that so that we avoid something that is looking like this. So I've edited the image and with the correct dimension. Let me now upload it. So this is our image, which is edited. So I can select crop. So you can see that it has given us this interface, so you can move it around to the surface where you want to crop it from. Then you say crop the image. So when the image is cropped, you can see that it has filled in all this box and it looks nice. So that is actually how you upload your banner image. And I want to show you how you upload the profile picture, which the recommended size is 150 by 150. So I'll download 150 by 150 pixel image and then upload it here. Or this is necessarily your logo. So let me create a logo for the beauty collection store and then upload here, which is 150 by 150, a square image. Let me do that faster. Let me upload the profile image now. Once it is uploaded, I can select the image and do crop. So this is the image. I can crop the image. So the image is well cropped, as you can see. This is my store name. You can change it in case there was some spelling mistakes. You can select the multiple store categories. Then store products per page. You can always set them from this region. You can select multiple store locations, which is not necessary in my case. Then the location name, I'll choose the default. So you can choose to show terms and conditions in your store page. You can also choose to show when your store is opening and closing. Those are the opening and closing time, which is very necessary. So on Sunday my store will remain closed. On Monday open. You can choose the time, which mine is 8 a.m. Let me choose 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday the same. Wednesday the same. Thursday the same. Sorry, Wednesday 5:30 p.m. Thursday the same. Friday the same. And Saturday it will remain closed as well. So you can choose to show you can customize your text that is the customers will be able to see when the store is open. The default one is store is open. You can choose we are open now or any other text of your choice. Then store close, it will remain store is closed. Then when you want to go for a vacation, this is area where you can leave a text which you will be displaying for your class customers to know that you are on a vacation. You can enable back discount store-wide, whereby all orders will be experience that discount. That is a global setting for the discount, for the product discount, sorry. You can choose the minimum order that a customer has to purchase. Let's say 5,000, and you give them like 20% discount. So I will not choose to do that. Then here is where you can write a short biography about your store, and your customers will be able to read and know about you. It is always important to include about us in all your pages that you display the product. Then enable support. You can enable support button. Show the support button in a single product, and you can choose to show the support button in the store, single product and store. It will not be necessary for me on a single product, but I will show the support button in my store. Then the support button text, you can always customize it from this end. By default it is get support. Then you can enable this. If you enable this, it will allow for the live chat support like WhatsApp. So remember to give also the WhatsApp number when you checked on this, so the customer will be able to chat with you via the WhatsApp directly. Then update the settings is successfully set, and you can see from the advice that it is 90% profile complete. So it is asking us to add more on Facebook, our Facebook page, to gain 4% progress. So to do that, you will go to the social media. So you love to add all the URLs from this region. These are going to be very important for your attractions. For example, you can go to Facebook like this and you take your username. You'll need to log in. So your Facebook URL will be something like this, and then you save. Let me just try to duplicate all this, but ensure that you put the correct one for Twitter, for Pinterest, for LinkedIn, for YouTube, for Instagram, and for Flickr, and then you save settings. So you can see that, as you can see, that your profile is 100% complete, and congratulations, your profile is fully completed. So on RMA, that is return and warranty policy that you are going to set from this region. I already discussed this one on my previous tutorial, but it's simply where you are going to put or record all your policy on how you can offer warranty to your customers. If there is no warranty, you will choose the option no warranty. If you include, you say warranty included. If warranty is an add-on, then you put it an add-on. An add-on warranty meaning that it is warranty, but you are going to charge the service. Let's say, for example, you sold a phone and the phone gets spoiled, or there's a product which gets spoiled, you will offer a service warranty at a cost. So that is what is called add-on. So my case, no warranty. And under SEO, search engine optimization, here where you are putting the keywords which are search engine friendly, so that when people are searching online on the Google or any browser like Chrome, they will be able to come across your store. So for example, I may give it like the title like beauty, the best beauty products in Nairobi. Meta descriptions are those descriptions now that a little bit, or short description that a little bit describing your store. So let's say that you are selling beauty products like the jelly, you are also selling the underwear, etc. You will be able to describe everything here. Then we have these meta keywords. Meta keywords are things like you can talk about things like lipsticks. You can talk about things like jelly. You can talk about things like you can talk about Nairobi, beauty store, etc. There's so many things that you can write about that. Then you can put your Facebook title here, and then put your Facebook description here. You can put your Facebook image here. You can put your Twitter title. So having all added all these details, then you save changes. Then after that we have the delivery. Under the delivery is where you are selecting the time when the type of delivery at the time and the days when you do offer delivery to your customers. For example, delivery support, home delivery, and store pickup. So you can choose all these available options if you want to offer. But if you want just to enable store pickup, then you do it from here. If you want to choose only home delivery, you do it from here. If you don't offer delivery at all, then you don't have to choose them. But if you choose all of them between one delivery before you make another delivery, then you. So for myself, I will choose 0. That means that I can just prepare for delivery as many as possible. I don't block because I have many staff who does that. Then you come here and choose the time slot. This is actually giving you per day for all these days that you've chosen, Monday to Friday. So you can choose that time slot, maybe is 1 hour in between the time, and then this one the same, you can choose 1 hour in between the time. So you can also control maximum order between per slot. So maybe say that you can only process up to 2 orders, or you can just leave it 0 for unlimited. So I'm just going to change all this time slot to be 1 hour each. And then you update the settings. So that is how you generally set up the delivery time. And when it comes to shipping, this is basically the area where you are setting up your shipping methods. For example, if you have some rules like the classes, you can always set them from this region. So let us see how you can add shipping policies. So to add shipping policies, you can toggle this and choose maybe 1 day, business day, how many days, or the duration you expect to have delivered a certain product when in shipping. Or you can just select this one by default, ready to ship in, and then you can always put your shipping policy from this end. Then you can also put some refund policy here. All these your customers will be able to read and see them when interacting with your products. So let us see how we can put the shipping zones. So this is the available shipping zones that are already been configured from the admin. So you can add your shipping method from there. So to do that, you simply click on add shipping method, and here you can either choose to limit your specific shipping method by shipping code, and you add them here, the postcodes, and you add them here. Let's say for example Nairobi, you can just limit it to 00100, you can limit it to 00800 etc. So when someone try to purchase and they don't have these codes, or they are in the area which is outside this postcodes, they will not be able to purchase, they will not be able to choose this shipping method. So to add a shipping method, you click on add, and then you choose maybe local pickup, and then you add that as a method. You can add a flat rate if you want, and here in the flat rate we let you set the rules. You can choose to add, okay, you can add the title. Let's say that you can call this one large appliance shipping. I don't think that is a nice title, but let me say shipping within CBD, and you can put your flat rate cost here. Within CBD we are going to charge 300 shillings. So if at all you are going to charge a flat rate, then you just put the base cost, which is 300 shillings, and then you save settings. If you want to charge per per product, then you can as well do that by adding the flat rate. Then you come to edit, then you say a shipping per product. Then you can choose to put a base cost, maybe 200 shillings. Then when you put the base cost 200, you can multiply it by the quantity. Let's say that you are having like you are going to charge the shipping per product, like, so you use the asterisk, which is the multiplication, and you put in the code QTY, that is quantity. So when your customer purchases products, let's say that they purchase 200 products from your store, they will be able to pay 200 by 200. So that is 4,000. 200 by 200. That is 4,000. Sorry, that is 40,000 Kenyan shillings, which is amazingly, that is looks more weird. Maybe you say 10 by the quantity, etc, anything that you can use. So that is how actually you set shipping. Here you can add your description, and that is how you set up shipping, which is going to charge per product, or per the quantity of the product. How do we set shipping per class? So you add the flat rate, come to edit, say shipping per class. These are just titles that only you going to see. Your customer won't see this. Shipping per class, and then you can come and say base cost for that is 500 Kenyan shillings. Then you scroll down and you find the available classes, maybe the heavy appliances. You say if it is an heavy appliances, you will charge 1500 on top of the base cost. And you always leave this as per class, charging shipping for each shipping class individually. Then you save settings. So you can interact all along. There are so many methods. So now you can set shipping. You can always check on that. If you have any problem, get to us. We will assist you how to set these shipping methods. Thank you.